just here for setup right now at Mariposa Folk Festival. Got some sound checks going on. Getting some water bottles filled up. What's really great is this is a green festival. So they've got water refills and all of the cutlery and the plates and everything are compostable here. So it's really fun being somewhere green. These are our chairs set up all ready to go so that we've got this view of the stage tonight when Walk Off the Earth headlines. Here we go, we're heading off to the green room for dinner after our first shift. It's like quarter past 5.
Do you have enough energy to sing it all the way? Mariposa, give it up for Walk Off the Earth!
So we're here at Mariposa Folk Festival, day 2. We've got our volunteer shirts on, ready for our shift later. We've cut them all up nice and fun. And we're here at the Barnfield stage. One of the performers from last night, Mom really liked her, so we've come back to see her this morning before our shift in the Artisans Village.
Assess the talent. Can it get any better than this?
Our green room lunch today, and all of this cutlery is made with corn, so it's compostable, so there doesn't need to be any waste. So part of our volunteer job here in Artisans Village is to be in the booth for the artist if they need a break. So I'm in here right now with an artist that's doing this beautiful artwork, acrylic painting on old maps, which is really cool. There's a bunch here from Algonquin Park and Banff and Whistler. And then my mom is in the booth next door right now. She's covering for the crew that's down leading the drumming lesson right now, so she's in there playing with a bunch of musical instruments. So for a volunteer gig, we have it pretty good. It's quite a lot of fun. Stages. One of the artisans, she does stained glass, and she needed some volunteers to come help run it. So my mom and I have finished shift and we're coming down and we're going to help teach/learn how to make some really cool stained glass this afternoon.
The glass comes as it is, and then I use a glass cutting tool, a scorer, to just score the glass, and then a couple of different pairs of pliers that I have to break it, and then everything gets run through a wet grinder, which takes the sharp edges off and gets it ready for copper foil, which is what we're going to do right now.
Okay, so we're gonna go on a tour of the campground area and go see some of the RVs or motorhomes people have out there, and to go see all the Westies. The Gordon Whitefoot statue.